Hello children, let's continue the lesson reproduction in plants. This is the first chapter. So today we are doing germination. So for germination, what is germination? A seed contains a baby plant inside it. I already told you there is a part embryo in a seed which is called the baby plant. So this baby plant or this embryo, when it gets adequate amount of soil, sunlight, fresh air and water, the seed germinates into a seedling. This process is called germination. So here's an activity for you. As you people are at home, please plant a monocot and a dicot seed and just observe the changes. So seed disperse in various methods. So seed just doesn't grow in a plant, it also disperses. There are various methods of seed dispersion. So the agents of seed dispersal are maybe air, water, animals or birds. The seed dispersal can take in any form. So there is a seed dispersal by wind, seed dispersal by water, seed dispersal by animal and seed dispersal by explosion. So there are very light seeds which can be dispersed by wind. When air blows, the seeds also move away with air. Such dispersion is called as dispersion by wind. You can see the dandelions and the other very light seeds which can be dispersed through air or wind. Seed dispersal by water. You have seen coconuts fall in the very nearby water bodies, and this flows and travels to the very next whatever it gets and then grows into a plant. Also the lotus, you have seen lotus which grows and the seeds obviously fall in water. So water flows and these seeds are also dispersed and a new plant grows in that region. There is a dispersal by animals, as animals climb on trees for their food and birds for their food, and ants, they pick up the seeds and take them to other places and leave it there. So by this method also there is a dispersal of seeds. There is a particular seed here. This seed has thorny-like structures on them which sticks to the animal skin. And when the animal moves from place to place, the seeds fall to that new area and grows into a new plant if it is provided with good water and other resources. So dispersal by explosion. Some seeds disperse by explosion. For example, peas and lady's finger. So when their seeds are matured, this outer part of the fruit gets bursted and the seeds come out. This is how the explosion takes place. For example, we have balsam, peas, lady's finger, mustard and touch-me-not plant. These seeds explode and the seeds are scattered nearby and these seeds grow into a new plant. Okay children, so this is today's topic. Hope you all understand.